Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So let's begin. In the first step, go to search bar and type your task manager and then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task, then click on browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we need to find out the system32 folder. Here it is. Double click on it, and in the system32 folder we need to find out cmd.exe file. You can just scroll down until you find this file cmd. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box. This will create the task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. Now we need to focus on command prompt window, so type the commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in gp update and hit enter. Now this process will take some time, like few seconds to complete the process, and the computer policy update has completed successfully. Now we will we are going to type chkdsk space c colon space /f and hit enter, then type y and hit enter. Now type in dism.exe space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health and hit enter. So this command will take around 10 to 15 minutes, depend upon your computer configuration, how fast it is. So we need to complete this up to the 100%. Till then we will move to the next method. Complete this in the background. So simply right click on the start icon and click on run. Now type your temp and hit enter. Now we need to you will get the multiple files and folders in the folder, so we need to select all the files and folders together and simply delete them. Again go to run. This time type in %temp% and hit enter. Now select all these files together, right click on them and simply delete them. Once done, close this window. So it's 38%. Now we need to complete this up to the 100%. Again we will continue this process and we will move to the next method. Simply go to search bar, type in settings and click here to open it. Now we need to go to the apps section, so click on these 3 lines and go to the apps section. Now just go to the install apps. Again you can uninstall the unwanted application on your system. For example, I'm not using Chrome, so I will just find the Chrome, click on these 3 dots and click on uninstall. And once done, we need to close this window, and now we press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Now type here services.msc and hit enter. So this will open the services window. Now we need to find out the sysmain, or you can find out superfetch. So the both are same. So in my system it's sysmain. So I will right click on it, select properties and set startup type as disabled, then click on apply and then OK. Again find out the Windows search. Here it is, right click on it, go to its properties, select startup type as disabled and then click on apply and then OK. Once done, we need to close this window. So it's completed. Now type exit and close this window and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, you're good to go.